Heidi ho, how are you all doing? Yeah, sorry about Friday, couldn't do it. My knee was too bloody bad. I was a bit pissed off with it, so I didn't feel like doing anything. So today, we're going to do a 500 yen in Japanese coin. I'm turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. Right. So first of all, yeah, same old, we're going to punch a hole in it. How's everybody doing? Good, I hope. Mr. Wonderful's okay. Not brilliant, but okay. Right. Yeah, I have to go to the old cracks in my knee. It's so bloody bad. It's sort of, it's a weird experience. They wrap this thing like around my leg, around my knee, similar to when you have your blood pressure. But it's like a, I don't know, it sort of vibrated. It's weird. And they said my knees are shot, need to have them done, which I'm not gonna. I don't want to have my knees replaced. I've heard rumours. I don't know if it's true. If it goes wrong, you have to have your leg off. So I'm not going for that. I might be talking shit, but that's what I heard. So I'm just gonna make do with it. And they give me this. I've been using stuff, you know, rub on it. They give me this deep heat, and I put some on. Jesus, swept. It was worse with that stuff on. That's why I couldn't do a video. I put 2 lots on. I thought, Jesus, swept. My leg was gonna fall off. But I've stopped using it, and it's a lot better. So yeah, they want to replace both my knees. I said, no, thank you. I like my knees. So do all the women. All the women I've ever met say, oh, you've got lovely knees. Right. This is just a deburring tool. I'm just cleaning out that edge, making sure it's nice and clean. Turn it over. That's raining at the moment. Right, let's dig out the one and only Bernie, the fire starter. And show a bit of warmth. I thank my latest subscribers and the people that have been leaving me comments. Thank you so much, it helps. If everyone's looking for a ring, give us a shout, I'll make you one. Or 2. Right, I think that's warm enough. Right, it's dried off. I'm going to bring out Dimples. So what we're going to go for? Can't see Jack, it's all blurred. Right. Maybe. Yeah. Let's go for this side, shall we? What do you think? I don't know. Yeah, there's some characters there, and Some leaves. There's some sort of spaceship. No, maybe this side. Yeah, we'll go with this side. Right. There's Lucille. Looking sexy as ever. Nip over. It's a big red. And give it a bit of the old hoochie coochie. Alright. Now we want one of these. This is a 17-degree folding die. Oh, I don't know. What else we got? I tied it up and can't find Jack anymore. Hey, nothing new there, is there really? Oh, that'll do. Sod it. Yeah, that'll do. Right. Back over to Spike again. And where's my... There he is. Let's check this one. Yeah, I'll put it in this one first. I'll give it a little bit of a hoochie coochie on this one. You just want to get it level-ish. I'll give it a bit with this one, and then we'll go over to the other one. But you don't want it to go all the way through. That's how you ruin a ring. Right, that's good. That's pretty good. I'll clean up that edge. Make sure it's nice and clean, free from any cracks or splits for me. I'm going to heat it up and I'll be back in a tick. Okie dokie. The kitchen roll just protects the detail on the inside of the ring. You ain't going to see it, but it's there, so why not leave it there, you know? Ain't looking too bad. Let's get a bit more love. I'll keep the phone running. Right. Just dry it off. And we're back. So you're looking pretty sexy. We'll go a bit more, shall we? For some reason, I always have to go a bit more. I just don't learn. I think that'll do. Right, that ain't too shabby. You see, there's no bow in it now, it's more cone-shaped. Well, then again, I'll just give it another quick pump. You could do it a bit more. Right, that's enough of that. Now let's get down to the bottom end of the spike. These are reduction dies. These are also 17 degree. And you're just looking for one that sticks out about 4 or 5 mil. That's how I like to do it anyway. I'm no professional at this game. I'm just a bloke making rings. Nice and square. Look at my beady eye. Yeah, that's pretty sexy. There is a little bit of a lip inside, so we cut that out. Beautiful. Beautiful. There you go, folks. Right. Let's break out Dave. And we'll stick in, if I can get Dave out, I'll stick in Kate Bush. Well, she's looking a bit rough today. What's she been doing? What have you been doing, Kate, eh? You look like you just jumped out of bed. Right. Let's get a bit closer. This just gets the fire scale off it. Doesn't harm the coin. You do the edge that I cut out. Oh, that was good. Lucky they disappear. Yeah, that's nice. There you go. Bit brassy. You can't beat a good bit of brass. Right, let's take out the one and only Kate. And we're whacking Felton John. Yeah, it's chucking it down there. A little bit of polish. Let's get another tube of polish. I'm getting a bit low. Too much? Perfect. All right. Anybody from Japan watching this? If so, give us a shout, leave a comment. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, there's a little red box bottom right hand corner of the video. Hit that, stuff happens. If you'd like to hit the like button, that helps me a lot. And leave a comment, that even helps me. It just shows YouTube that you like me. Nobody likes me. That's coming up rather good. It's getting a bit bloody warm though. Another 25 minutes, my little dining will be home. Tonight it's an omelette. Broccoli, ham, mushrooms, and yeah, thought I'd let you know that. I could be asked cooking something big, so I just thought sod it, just do a omelettes are easy and quick. That's really got honest with you, I can't be asked. Even though I don't mind cooking, but I'm not in a really mood for bloody cooking. Oh yeah, right. That brass effect, obviously it's not brass. It must have been plated with something, because it's now silver. Right, what we got? There you go, folks. 1,500 yen, Japanese coin. That's why you use the kitchen wrong. You don't lose the detail on the inside. Perhaps I should have used this on the outside, but there you go, it is what it is. But yeah, if you're looking for a ring, give us a shout. I hope you're all going to have a lovely weekend. I mean, this will be going up Saturday. So yeah, have a great weekend. Have fun, behave yourselves. Or if you can't behave yourselves, don't get caught. Simple as that, isn't it, you know? And try and make someone smile. Oh, what size we got? Getting ahead of myself here. This is a size 9. I can make them bigger. I can make them smaller. I can do magic. Right. It fits this finger. Absolutely spotted dog. And yeah, the rest of you can have this. Have it.